Start. I have great pleasure in welcoming you to this seminar to discuss the contribution of Gandhian outlook and techniques to the solution of tensions between and within nations. Stop. I am particularly happy that so many distinguished men and women from so many countries have responded to our invitation. Stop. The subject for their deliberations is one which is of overriding importance in the modern world and immediately concerns all individuals of all nations. Stop. When the Indian National Commission for Cooperation with UNESCO met for the first time in 1949, it resolved that steps should be taken at an early date of consider the Gandhian doctrines and their relevance to the problem of achieving world peace. Stop. UNESCO, which is concerned with the creation of an international outlook and the promotion of friendly feelings between different nations, was naturally greatly interested in the proposal. Stop. Since then, we have been considering how best to give effect to our plans of examining Gandhian methods as to a means of achieving peace. Stop. You will agree that it was hardly necessary to have a seminar only in order to draw attention of Gandhiji's thought. Stop. His ideas have been before the world for many years and are already a part of the intellectual heritage of modern man paragraph change. In view, however, of the crisis which threatens the world today and the danger of war which is always in the background of our minds, it seems especially appropriate to consider Gandhiji's methods so far as they provide an alternative to war and promise a solution to international problems. Stop. That is why, after much hesitation and thought, we have decided to call this seminar to give distinguished thinkers of the East and the West an opportunity to discuss Gandhiji's methods in all their implications. Stop. I am keenly conscious of the stupendous nature of the problem and also of how a solution has until now baffled the efforts of man. Stop. It is therefore in a spirit of humility that we have organized this seminar in the hope that the cooperative efforts of thinkers from so many countries have thrown some light on our pressing problems and suggest some method of dealing more satisfactorily with the problems of war and peace. Stop. The issues at stake are so vast and our aim so important that whether we fully succeed or not, the effort is its own justification. Stop. This we have to understand now. Full stop.